Hi everyone, this is Donny from Solo. Today, I'm excited to share with you some of the amazing innovations we have been working on, especially our new lightweight module that we just launched in Tokyo. This module has been getting a lot of attention, and I'm here to tell you why. So, what makes the module so special? Let's dive right in. We've completely rethought how solar modules were made. Our new modules weigh just 4.2 kilograms per square meter. How did we manage that? We replaced the traditional heavy glasses with advanced polymer and metal composite that we developed in-house. This makes them over 70% lighter than your typical modules, perfect for roofs and that cannot bear a heavy load. And they are not just light. These modules are super thin too, only 4 mm. This gives them a sleek, modern look. Plus, this ultra-thin design helps save space when shipping, which cuts down on cost. That's the win-win. They are incredibly easy to install. One person can carry them, and 2 people can set up an entire system faster than ever. 40% faster, in fact. And because of their detachable design, maintenance is quick and straightforward. Our modules have been strictly tested in all directions, with power outputs ranging from 420 watts to 510 watts. We use advanced technology to maximize efficiency, so they perform perfectly well in all kinds of tough conditions: heat, sand, salt, you name it. Our modules are reliable enough to fit almost anywhere, frame or frameless. They work perfectly in various settings: carports, airport aprons, highway slopes, and more. They are designed to open up new possibilities for solar power use. And the best part, they are eco-friendly, made from recyclable materials with low energy production process. These modules support a sustainable, circular economy. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or want to understand more about our light modules, feel free to reach us.